Good afternoon, children. Our Olympiad NSO Science, that our fifth chapter is Cell, the fundamental unit of life. The first question of the cell, that is question number 1. Robert Brown is well known scientist as he discovered lysosome, vacuole, cell or nucleus. So question number 1, option number A, B, C, D. 4 options are given, so D is the correct answer. Refer to the given figure, this figure. Select the incorrect statement regarding X, Y and Z. Question number 2, option number A is the correct answer because X is freely permeable to small molecules and ion. This is correct. Next, Y is arranged in characteristics pattern in different cell and bear oxysomes, and Z contains respiratory enzymes, lipids, RNA, etc. None of this. So question number 2, option number A is the correct answer. Question number 3. Read the following statement and select the option which correctly fills up the blank when a cell is put in a solution higher concentration. Question number 3, option B, exosmosis and shrinks occurs and the cell shrinks. Exosmosis and shrinks will be the answer. So question number 3, option B. Question number 4 also option B. Plant cell does not burst in hypotonic solution because its cell wall resists bursting. Plant cell does not burst in hypotonic solution for what reason? Because its cell wall resists bursting. Okay, so question number 4, option number B is the correct answer. Question number 5. The kitchen of the cell A, B, C, D. So option A is the correct answer. Mitochondria, this is the structure of that. So 5A is the correct answer. Next we will see question number 6. Question number 6. X is present in eukaryotic cell except mammalian RBC, sieve tube cells of phloem and vessels of xylem. X is, question number 6, option number A is the correct answer, nucleus. X is nucleus. Okay. Now we are coming to question number 7. Unicellular algae X and Y of same species were taken, chloroplast were removed from the cell X. After some time, they both were kept in bright sunlight for few hours. Then iodine test was performed on them, and what will be the result? Question number 7, option C is the correct answer. Cell Y turned blue-black. Cell Y turned blue-black. This is the correct answer. So question number 7, option number C is the correct answer. So next, question number 8. So read the given statements and select the option correctly identifies them as true and false ones. So question number 8, option B is the correct answer. Lysosome play an important role during the metamorphosis in frog. This is the as true and false. Correctly identifies them as true and false. So question number 8, option 2, it is given. Okay, now we will see the option. One, two, three, 4. True, false, we have to see. True, true, false, false. False, true, true, true. So this is false statement. This is true. This is true. This is true. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. So question number 8, option B is the correct answer. Now question number 9. All members of Gupta family can roll their tongue. Which of the parts labeled in the given figure carries information regarding this chloroplastic? Sorry. So question number 9, option B is the correct answer. Q is the chloroplastic. Okay. So this is the answer regarding these characteristics, option B, Q. So next we will see question number 10. Study then the given figure carefully in which direction the net movement of water will take place. Semi-permeable membrane, this is from one solution 1 to solution 2, from solution 2 to solution 1, both A and B, no movement takes place. So question number A, option A is the correct answer, from solution 1 to solution 2. Next question, read the given statements and select the correct option. So statement, mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria used to bring about stepwise oxidation of foodstuffs and release the energy. 11, option A is the correct answer. Both statements A 1 and 2 both are true, and the statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. So 11A is the correct answer. So I think all of you got the answer. So next we will see question 12. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding endoplasmic reticulum? ACR helps in detoxification in the liver of vertebrates. RER helps in the synthesis of protein. ER helps the transport of materials from one part to another part of the cell, and D, none of these. So question number 12, option D is the correct answer. No, nothing is the incorrect, all they are correct option. Okay. Take a clean glass slide and put few drops of water into it. Now place a complete RHEO leaf on water droplets and examine the cells of leaf under high power of compound microscope. Put a few drops of concentrated salt sugar solution on the mounted RHEO leaf on the glass side. Wait for few minutes and again observe the leaf under high power of microscope. What will be your observation? So question number 13, option D is the correct answer. Our observation will be cell contents are separated from the cell wall. Cytoplasm along with plasma membrane has come to lie on one side of the wall. A clear space is seen between the cell wall and protoplast of the cell. So option D is the correct answer. So next, question number 14. Which of the following is correct for the given figure? The part label B is called the intergranal thylakoid. The part label C is called granum. The part label A is the site of dark reaction, and the part label ABC all possesses photosynthetic pigments such as chlorophyll. So question number 14, option C is the correct answer. Okay. Now question number 15. Select the incorrect statement. Osmosis is a slow process, occurs down the concentration gradient, does not expand energy. Electronic microscope uses very high voltage electricity. It uses electromagnetic instead of glass lenses, beam of electrons instead of light. Correct. A semi-permeable membrane does not allow solvent and solute molecules to pass through it. This is incorrect. So option C is the correct answer. and active transport of materials is rapid and usually occurs against the concentration gradient involving carrier proteins and energy in the form of ATP. This is also correct. So incorrect question. Question number 15, option C. So option C is the correct answer. Next, question number 16. Among the following cell organelles, P, Q, R, S, which is the odd one out? S because the other membranes bound cell organelles. The question number 16, option A is the correct answer, because this is odd one out because P, the other cell involved in the cell secretion, R because the others are involved in the protein storage, and Q because the others are involved in the energy production. So 16A is the correct answer. Now question number 17. 4 strips are cut from a fresh potato. The length of each strip is measured. One strip is placed in water and others is different concentration of sugar solution. After an hour, the strips were measured again. The results are shown in the table. Which of the liquid PQRS is water? So question number 17, option B is the correct answer, that is Q, 78 and 80. Next, question number 18. Unicellular X, which has contractile vacuole to remove excess intracellular water, was placed in salt solution of increasing osmolarity. The given graph shown the rate of the contraction of vacuole to pump out excess water against osmolarity of the solution. Select the option that gives the correct explanation of the data. In an isotonic solution, there is no diffusion water. Question number 8, option C is the correct answer. The rate of the contraction increases. The rate of the contraction increases as osmolarity decreases because amount of water entering X by osmosis increasing. Next, the question number direction 19 and 20 refer to the given key answer following the questions. Membrane with pores P, inner membrane with stalked particle Q. At places the inner membrane is connected to the stalks like structure R. Sac-like organelle containing hydrolytic enzyme S. Membraneless organelle composed of one large and one small subunit T. So 19 number question, select the option that correctly identifies any of these organelles. P, nucleus, Q, mitochondria, S, ribosome. 19, option C is the correct answer. R is chloroplast, S is lysosome, and ribosome, that is T. So option C is the correct answer for question number 19. Question number 20. Select the match of the organelle, its function. P, protein synthesis, R, fat synthesis, S, disposal of worn out cell organelle, T, energy production. So 20C is the correct answer, disposal of worn out cell organelle. So this is question number 20. Option C is the correct answer. Our next chapter, that is tissue. Next chapter is tissue. The first question of the tissue is: the walls of cork cells are thickened by the deposition of organic substance which make these cells impermeable to water and gases. The substance is option A, pectin, option B, suberin, option C, lignin, option D, none of these. Question number 1 option B is the correct answer. It is suberin. Okay. Next, which of the following statement regarding apical meristem is incorrect? Question number 2 option B is the correct answer. It is incorrect. Why? Because it develops by de-differentiation of permanent tissues. Next question number 3, select the correct statement regarding the meristematic tissues. They are made up of mature cells and are fully differentiated. They have cells with thick secondary walls. They perform the function of growth and division, both A and C. So question number 3 option C is the correct answer. They perform the function of growth and division. Question number 4, X is living tissues that provides mechanical support, tensile strength and elasticity is young dicotyledonous stem. X is parenchyma, collenchyma, lateral meristem and sclerenchyma. Question number 4 option B is the correct answer. This is collenchyma. Question number 5, the tissues shown here is adipose tissues, striated muscle tissue, areolar tissue and ciliated columnar epithelial tissue. Question number 5 option A is the correct answer. This is adipose tissue. Adipose tissue is the correct answer. Question number 5A. Next question number 6. Which of the following tissues provide a mechanical support and a protective covering around seeds? So around seeds, question number 6 option D is the correct answer, that is sclerenchyma. Next we have question number 7, match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the given codes. Column 1 food storage, column 2 phloem, column 1 food conduction, mechanical strength, water conduction, column 2 phloem, xylem, parenchyma, sclerenchyma. So question number 7 option A is the correct answer, because A, it is food storage, that is parenchyma. Okay. Option A. B, food conduction, that is phloem. Option C, mechanical strength, that is sclerenchyma, and water conduction, it is parenchyma. So question number 7 option water conduction, that is xylem. Question number 7 option A is the correct answer. Okay, A is the correct answer. Question number 7 option A is the correct answer. Question number 8. Question number 8, which of the following epithelial tissues line in stomach and intestine? A, B, C, D. Which one is the correct? Question number 8 option B is the correct, that is lines of stomach and intestine. Next question number 9, which of the following are correctly matched? Dense regular blubber connective tissues, cartilage, pinna of the ear, areolar tissue, packaging tissue, cuboidal epithelium, kidney tubulus. So question number 9 option A is the correct answer. Why? Because A, 2, 3 and 4 only it is written. Okay, 2, 3 and 4, because 5 cardiac muscle branched and multinucleate, and the last one 6 striated muscle unbranched and uninucleate. So question number 9 option A is the correct answer. Next question number 10. Mohit was asked to draw a label diagram of sclerenchyma tissue as seen in the longitudinal section. The figure you drew is shown Here, point out the mistake of the figure. Lumen, simple pit, poor, lignified, thick wall. So question number D, question number 10, option D is the correct answer, because this figure shows transverse section instead of longitudinal section of tissues. So option D is the correct answer. So these videos we have discussed 2 chapter tissue, more 10 questions are there. So in our next video we will discuss that. Thank you.